Hi guys, it's Alex from AWC. Today we've got a weekly vlog. We're going to look around all the vehicles that we've got in today. 3 customer cars and 1 of my own cars. So starting off with this Mini Countryman, it's just been dropped off, rather dirty at the moment, but we're going to start off with a prep wash in the morning, and that is having our £125 winter protection package. So it's ideal for a really nice, thorough deep clean inside and out, including decontamination, and then a paint wax, wheel wax and glass sealant ready for the winter. So really good value for money, priced at £125, and we provide these throughout the winter months as well. Next car is a Mercedes GLC AMG 63, and that is having a satin paint protection. So that's a ceramic coating, single layer. It's going to last 1 to 2 years. That's also had a full deep clean as well, and is also having our interior deep clean and protection package. So a nice, nothing too crazy, but a nice thorough clean up and ceramic coating. This is a brand new GTI. I believe it's got 800 miles on it, so a new car. One of my personal favourite packages to perform, and that has had a 2-year new car protection. So that's single stage machine polish, 2-year ceramic coating on the paint, front face of the wheel ceramic coated, the glass hydrophobic coating, and full interior protection. So an ideal thorough, again, deep clean, and then ceramic coatings to all surfaces to make sure it's nice and easy to maintain over the next 2 to 3 years. But really cool, cool car, pretty nippy as well, manual gearbox, ideal for a town car as well, so really like those. So final car in the unit is my own 718 Cayman S. Very, very fortunate to own this, and we haven't detailed it recently, but I thought I'd do a little spec talk. So it's Miami blue. I think the colour is really, really cool. Works great contrast-wise with the black and the red. So it's got Carrera S 20-inch alloys with PS4Ss. Did run Cup 2s throughout summer, but they're a bit sketchy in the winter. So back on the stock tyres. And inside wise, this is the main party trick. These beautiful folding carbon fibre bucket seats. So Porsche do a few different carbon fibre seats. They do the 918 seats, which are found in the GT4. And then they also do the folding bucket seats, which are kind of one below. Cannot recommend them more. They look fantastic, they look great. You barely ever see any Caymans with, should we say, the bucket seats. However, on long journeys, they will destroy your back, as I've found out many a time. So it's not the most comfortable, but they do look great, which is cool. It's running a 6-speed manual instead of PDK. I think in the 718 variant, the manual box definitely suits the car more. It feels very sturdy. Yeah, really, really like it. The notch as well as it goes into gear is phenomenal, and 3 pedals and a box in a car like this, mid-engined, doesn't really get much better. So apart from that, spec-wise, it's got sports chrono, sports exhaust, PASM with the 20mm drop instead of 10mm. It also has, I sound like a car dealer, like walking around, here's your new car. Yeah, so sports chrono, sports exhaust, PASM 20mm drop. It's got torque vectoring and limited slip diff. And then apart from that, it's got GTS styling pack, which is really uncommon. I didn't actually know when I bought the car, but GTS styling pack is really uncommon apparently on a standard 718. That's your boring fact of the day. So normally they have a, this is all black at the bottom, and the shape of this is slightly different, which has made it a lot easier, a lot harder to find a plate holder for the car, hence why it's stuck on. But yeah, that's about it with mine. So 6-speed manual, Cayman S, really, really love the car, my favourite car to date, and there's been quite a few. So yeah, really, really enjoy it, brilliant car, great colour, good contrast, and drives really nice. So that's it for us at AWC this week. If you're interested in having your own vehicle detailed here, just drop us a call. It's 01702 219 694.